This video is about how to calibrate the printhead. Enter the Adjust interface. In the Step Adjust interface, you can print adjust and adjust numerical values. On the right side, you can select the pass to print and make more precise numerical adjustments. Below is an example. After pressing the Print Adjust button, let's take a look at the printed pattern. It can be observed that the two lines do not intersect at the midpoint as in the example. The coordinate values of the intersection point of the two lines are negative, so we need to decrease the values in the software. To reduce the value, we input a negative number, such as -10, and then click Calculate. You can also directly modify the value when necessary, just by checking here. Click Print Adjust again. The pattern printed out now matches the example, meaning the intersection of the lines falls at the 0 coordinate. Head space is divided into two sections, horizontal L and vert adjust. Their function is to align the black channels of the to-print heads in both horizontal and vertical directions. Adjust the values in horizontal L to make the result of Print Adjust matches the example. Let's take a look at the printed result. The pattern at coordinate O does not appear as a straight line as in the example. The pattern at coordinates 1 is the one that should appear at coordinates O, therefore, we need to add 1 to the value in the software. The value of H1 is always O because it serves as the benchmark. We add 1 to the value of H2. Click Print Adjust again. The pattern printed out now matches the sample. Next, enter the Vert Adjust interface. It's the same. Print Adjust. Adjust the values to match the example. Let's look at the printed result. The pointer here does not point to, though, coordinates as in the example. The pattern above the number O is not a straight line as in the example. Since the pointer is pointing near the number 10 on the coordinate axis, we increase the value by 10 in the software. The value of H1 is always O because it serves as the benchmark. We increased the value of H2 by about 10. Click Print Adjust again. The pattern printed out now matches the sample. Enter the Color Adjust interface. Still the same. Print Adjust. Adjust the values to match the example. Let's look at the printed results. The lower row corresponds to H1, while the upper row corresponds to H2. Almost all colors of the to-print heads match the samples, except for the blue color of H1. The pattern above the number +3 is the one that should appear above the number O. So we need to add 3 to the value corresponding to H1 blue in the software. Find the numerical value corresponding to H1 blue. Double-click to modify it. Add 3. Click Print Adjust again. Now the H1 blue color also matches the example. Now we have obtained a print result that matches the example. The last thing we need to do is click Save to save the calibrated data.